We'll see how it goes. I'm a little nervous. I will survive. Yeah. This is Jen of all trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Alrighty, so today, as you can already see in the thumbnail, we are going to be trying to get rid of this Iroiro pink. Let me start this off by showing you. I did use this. It's just literally pink. It's not neon pink. It just says pink. It is highlighter pink, okay? However, the color I did previously was super beautiful. Go check it out in the iCards. It was a sunset, 3 colors, beautiful, okay? A lot of you in the video, the comments on that video were explaining to me, that's a really hard color to get out. Good luck with that. I mean, so many. So with that being said, this was my first time using that color from this brand. So you can also see the yellow and the orange from this brand also. So it's gonna be a true test of multiple of their colors. Also, if I sound like crap and my energy levels way down here, I have COVID right now. So, yeah, it's really fun, but I need to make this video because I really need to get this out of my hair. If you didn't know, I started cosmetology school, which is where I got my COVID from. We're just passing it around like potato chips. I don't know what that means. We're passing it around. Everyone's been getting it. I lasted so long without getting it, and now it finally took me. But we're gonna push through it. I've been taking my vitamins, and I'm gonna survive, and we will be okay. But for this, I'm only gonna try something once because the integrity of my hair means a lot to me. So I already bleached my roots, so this is what it looks like afterwards. It literally just made it brighter. Let's get into this method. This is what I'm gonna try. Our baking soda method with a little tweak. So to start out, of course, we have our baking soda. This is a big ass bag I got for the pool last year in the summertime. So we're gonna put that in a bowl. We're gonna do our mixtures real quick. Oh, and also, yeah, I already do have a crap t-shirt that I don't care about. You see, it already has bleach on it. I guess we'll start out with that much. Now, just so you know, don't inhale it. Baking soda mixture, the baking soda mixture. Baking soda acts like a bleach. It's getting activated by the developer. I'm using a 20 volume developer. I'm aware it's backwards. But it's still a chemical process. If your hair's damaged, I mean mine, like the front was damaged, the ends probably aren't the greatest, but it's not that bad because I haven't really been doing a lot of color removal lately. So mine's in pretty good health. If your hair, disclaimer, is dry or damaged, do not use this baking soda method on your hair. I'm just putting it out there, just so you know. It's still a chemical process. It can still damage your hair. But I'm gonna tweak it and we'll see how it goes. So I'm just dumping, this is what's left. I have more, don't worry. Now, the other thing I'm not doing, purple shampoo. A lot of people in my other baking soda video were asking, do I need the purple shampoo? You don't have to have the purple shampoo. That's what tones it. It gets the yellow out. But for now, because I'm just focused on getting this pink out, I'm just gonna, you'll see. All right, now that all the clumps are out, this is what we're working with, like a basic bleach consistency. And then I'm gonna add a shampoo. Now you can use clarifying shampoo, which will further remove hair color, but it's also more drying. So to keep on the scale of wanting to preserve my hair, I'm just gonna use this argan oil and Moroccan stuff. No sulfates in it. Not the best shampoo, but not the worst. So that's what we're gonna use, and we're just gonna add that in there as like a diluter, basically. So that's what makes it similar to a bleach bath, minus the bleach. So it further dilutes the strength of the mixture. And then to also further aid in what's happening, I have my coconut oil, and a lot of professionals, I'm not a professional yet, I'm in school, yeah. Give me about 18 months and I will be there. And maybe once I learn about this, I will have different advice for you. But for now, I'm gonna put coconut oil. I am aware, once again, this will prolong the effects of this. And a lot of people are like, well, it doesn't even do nothing to your hair. It doesn't help. Well, I think it helps. I'm gonna test that theory. I have some melted and I'm just gonna dump it in there. This is my Olaplex, except it's coconut oil. So I'm just gonna do this. Our mixture's done. It's very runny. Again, you can add purple shampoo or replace this with purple shampoo if you prefer. We're just gonna go for this and get it on our head. I'm gonna put it on and let it set probably like 20 to 30 minutes. I don't want to fry my hair, but I know that the coconut oil is gonna make it take longer to penetrate down to my hair. So we'll just kind of play it by ear and see how it is. Let's get my gloves on, which you probably don't even really need gloves. I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's get it on my hair. Alrighty, it's in my head. A few things to note. I had to make a second bowl because I ran out. This mixture is very heavy. It's very heavy. It's also a pain in the butt to rinse out. Yeah, it doesn't burn without gloves. You have to wash your hair several times to get it out. So be aware of that also. Be patient with it. I'm kind of nervous because it doesn't seem to be doing much. It's not even heating up like normal. So we'll see how it goes. I'm a little nervous. And I'll be back with the final results. I'm thinking closer to 30 minutes because she's real bright right now. We'll see what happens. And I'm gonna go try and relax. Okay, we will survive. I will survive. Oh, the other thing is have a towel or something underneath of you because this stuff is so liquidy. It gets, it's everywhere. All over me, all over the floor. It makes a mess. So be aware of that. I'll be back with the final results. Come on. No. I'll be back. Ta-da! This is the final result. Alright, so as you can see, I still have some color in my hair. It's also been about a week since I started this video because COVID took strong hold on me and really I couldn't do it anymore. So as you can see now, my energy levels are back up and I am all better by the making of this ending. So let's continue. I'm actually surprised, I'm impressed at how well this actually worked. It faded it significantly. It's definitely still there, but it did fade it. All right, so let's look at the back. And of course the yellow she's still pretty bright in the front. I don't know why that's not going away, but a lot of the ends did come out, so she's back blonde. Let's see the back. So we do still have some pink underneath as well. Remember how I did like the layering? So we have that one section of pink on the back and we have the one section of pink on the top. So thankfully that's not a significant amount. My plan is next, now that it's light enough, I will be coloring over it, which is the best thing to do. So what happened, if you notice, I got a haircut. So like I said in the beginning, only do this on your hair if it is healthy. I left it on for about 40 minutes, which was too long. I would do it for like 20 to 30 minutes tops. So what happened is I already had some damaged hair in the front section and some on the ends. So basically it intensified what was already damaged and I had to cut it off. The healthy hair is fine. So if your hair's healthy and it's good, or you don't mind doing some trimming, then it's okay, but just be cautious. I'm putting it out there. Use your own discretion when you're doing this, okay? I did go ahead and do an ApHogee protein treatment. So this was step 1, this is step 2, it's backwards. I just got it at Sally's. It's like $5, I think, for these 2 packets. You do step 1, step 2, and the adding the protein and all of this will significantly help your hair. I've also been doing some hair masks and things like that. So just continue to take care of it. That's the main thing. If you do get any type of damage, do the protein treatment, do hair mask, take care of your hair, wait a few days in between washing, let the oils build up naturally, and just take care of it. That's all you gotta do. I have some good colors coming up. We have the next few ones planned out. The hair video will be coming up very soon. I should have it in the next couple of days. So that will be done. I'm so excited. So I also, oh my gosh, I gotta tell you guys, I created an Instagram, a new social just for this channel. So you can see all of my hair that I've done over the years. I'm still adding on to it. I just created it like a week ago, a few days ago. It's been about a week. So the followers are real low. And go ahead and follow me on there. You will get sneak peeks at all of the hair color that I do from here on out for the future. You're gonna get first pics before the videos come out of the final result. Little videos, like some TikToks and some like video transitions and all of that. Plus, I do have a discount code for Lunar Tide, so all of that will be on my Instagram. So add me on there. If you want to follow along, you can also message me on there as well if you have any questions. So yeah, I'm super excited that I finally did that, so definitely check it out. And yeah, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.